Have you ever looked back at your life and realized that the moments you hated the most were the moments that changed you the most? The irony of life is this: we have to live it forward, but it only makes sense backward. When you are living through pain, nothing makes sense. You don't understand why that person left you. You don't know why your plans fell apart. You just keep asking, why is this happening to me? But life rarely answers that question immediately. It simply tells you, keep moving, keep walking. Just imagine reading a novel. If you only read one page, every clue seems random, every character feels confusing, nothing connects. But once you finish the book, you suddenly realize every chapter had a purpose. The chapter you are in right now is not the whole story. Just think about a seed buried underground. From the outside, it looks like it is dying, covered in darkness, crushed by the weight of the soil. But underneath, something incredible is happening. It's growing its roots. If the seed could think, it would probably believe that its life was over. But in reality, its life was just beginning. Sometimes you see we are that seed. Steve Jobs was fired from the company he built. J.K. Rowling was rejected again and again. And many of the people we admire today once believed their life were falling apart. And looking back, those moments became the turning points. But while they were living them, they couldn't see the ending, and neither can you. Maybe the heartbreak you are carrying today is teaching you what self respect looks like. Maybe the failure that's embarrassing you is forcing you to build discipline. Maybe the delay you are frustrated about is preparing you for something you aren't ready for yet. Not every painful moment has a hidden meaning, but almost every meaningful life contains painful moments. So stop judging your life based on the chapter you are currently living. One bad chapter doesn't make a bad book. Just keep moving, because clarity is a reward that comes only with time. Years from now, in the future, you look back at this version of yourself, the confused one, the scared one, the one who almost gave up, and you'll finally understand why life took you this way. Because sometimes the pieces only fit together after you have finished the puzzle. Just remember this: live with courage today, because tomorrow's wisdom is built from today's uncertainty.